In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove names from comments in a Microsoft Word document. When collaborating on a Word document, comments are a useful way to provide feedback or suggestions. However, sometimes you may want to remove the names attached to those comments to anonymize the document or prepare it for sharing. Microsoft Word allows you to do this easily by changing privacy settings or using the Inspect Document tool. To start, open your document in Microsoft Word and go to the File tab at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Options to open the Word Options window. Inside this window, click on the General section if it's not already selected. Look for the section labeled Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office. Here, you will find fields for your username and initials. You can change these to whatever you prefer or leave them blank if you want the comments to be anonymous. Click OK to save the changes. Any new comments you add after this will no longer display your name, but existing comments will still show the previous author names. To remove names from existing comments, you can use the Document Inspector. Go back to the File tab and click on Info. Then select Check for Issues and choose Inspect Document from the drop-down menu. The Document Inspector window will appear. Make sure the option for comments, revisions, versions, and annotations is checked, then click Inspect. Word will scan your document for any identifying information, including the names attached to comments. Once the inspection is complete, click Remove All next to the relevant category to delete author names from the comments. After this, click Close to finish. It's important to note that removing names in this way will keep the comments themselves intact, but they will no longer show who wrote them. This is ideal for sharing documents publicly, submitting papers, or distributing drafts without revealing the contributors' identities. By using these steps, you can easily control whether names appear on comments in your Word documents, keeping your work professional and private when needed. And that's how you remove names from comments in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.